Welcome to Tutor Souls channel. I am your trainer Nidhi. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. So today we are going to see how you can avoid these 5 most common mistakes in Summarize Written Text. So the number one most common mistakes what students usually make is not picking up the right keywords. So what is keywords in the Summarize Written Text? Keywords equals to your content and content equals to your reading marks. So keywords, that means you have to pick up the right key points from the passage. For example, you have got the passage on sports and it has 4 paragraphs. It talks about introduction of this sport in the country, benefits of the sports, disadvantages of the sports, and conclusion that what is the current scenario of sport in the country. Now when you're writing your summary and you're just including 2 or 3 main ideas, but you are not including all the relevant ideas into your summary, you are missing on advantages or you are missing on conclusion keywords, so that means you are not going to get full marks in Summarize Written Text. Make sure you are using all the details and all the main key points from all the passages and you are writing your summary. That means you are utilizing all the keywords. So the second most common mistake is don't use complicated language. That means whatever you are writing in one sentence, that should refer back to the meaning of the passage which has been given it to you. You are not supposed to use your own vocabulary or very complicated or difficult words to sound it better. It will not give you the same meaning which is written into the passage. So you should never write your summary in a very complicated words. It should be very simple, which refers back to the idea which has been mentioned into the passage. So the third most common mistake is don't refer the passage in the summary. That means whenever you are writing your summary, you should not start your sentences, for example, the author talks about or the summary describes about. These are the sentences you should avoid using when you are writing your summary. You should directly come to the point that what summary refers to. Besides this, if you keep including some irrelevant sentences and you keep adding some templates in the summary which does not refer to the idea of the summary, you may lose your marks. So the fourth most common mistake is stick to the word limit and write in one single sentence. That means whenever you are writing your summary in PTE exam, you should follow the word limit. Word limit is 5 is minimum and maximum is 75 words. So you should write it down your summary for the best length and where you can include all the ideas of the summary. You should not try to write it down more and more words thinking that you are going to get lots of marks if you write beyond 75 or if you write only 20 words so you'll get more marks. Don't get into that impression. Please write it down your summary at least for 50 to 60 word length. That is the best word length to get your summary marks. And never add 2 full stop in your summary. That means you are making 2 sentences where the instructions have been given that you only have to write your summary in one single sentence. The fifth most important and most common mistake is leaving no time for review. That means you get 10 minutes to write your summary, and if you only write your summary and immediately you submit that summary and you are not reviewing your summary, that means you are not cross-checking your summary after writing, there are high chances that you can make lots of mistakes in your summary. Now the question comes, what exactly I should review in my summary? You have to review content. Content means, have I covered all the main points from the summary? Number 2, your grammar. Did I use all the correct grammatical sentences into the summary? Number 3, vocabulary. Did I use the correct keywords or words from the summary? Number 4, your punctuations. That means your comma, your semicolons. Did you use correct punctuations to combine these sentences? So these are the 5 most important mistakes which people make when they write their summary. So I hope this topic is clear and you are not going to repeat all these mistakes in your exam, and you will make sure that you practice hard for Summarize Written Text. Thank you for watching this video. My best wishes for your PTE exam, and if you like this video, please write it down in the comment box and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Stay happy, stay healthy.